Hello students, welcome to our channel. This is Anand Kumar Singh. We are going to discuss a very important topic of mathematics for class 12, and the topic which we are going to discuss is matrix and matrices. Before going to dive into the sea of matrices, we should need to know what is a matrix exactly. And before going to know the formal definition of a matrix, we are going to take a daily life example which will build a strong understanding what is a matrix. Let us assume we are in a classroom. Let us assume we are in a classroom and there are 4 benches like 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in each of the benches there are 3 students like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and also here 1, 2, 3. Just we have assumed we are in a classroom and there are 4 benches 1, 2, 3, 4 and in each of the benches there are 3 students 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. Now guys, consider the roll number of the students. Let us consider this student having roll number 7, this student having roll number 2. For this student, let us consider roll number is 10. For this one, consider roll number 1. For this, roll number 9. Let us consider the roll number of this student is 5. The roll number for this student, let us consider it is 6. Let us consider for this student, his roll number is 8. And for this one is 4. Let us consider for this is 11. For his 12 and it is 13. Okay. Students, we have just taken the roll numbers of the students. Those are seated here in each of the benches. Okay. Now, here we can see the first bench. In the first bench, there are 3 students. In the second, it is also 3. In the third one, it is also 3. And fourth one is also 3. Each of the benches are placed horizontally. Each of the benches are placed horizontally. And these benches are known as rows. So this bench number 1 is said to be row number 1, that is R1. The second one is known as row number 2. The second one, the horizontal bench, which is second one, is known as row number 2. The third one is called row number 3 and fourth one is called row number 4. What is a row? These benches are like a row. Like a row. The first bench is said to be row number 1, second bench is said to be row number 2, third bench is said to be row number 3 and fourth bench is row number 4. Row means horizontal lines. Okay. If we join the topmost student with the bottom one with a line, single line, then this single line is said to be column. If we join the topmost student with the bottom one with a single line, then we will have a line. This is called the column and this is said to be column number 1. For the second, if we take another line, it will said to be column number 2. If we take the third line, third vertical line, which is joining the topmost student of having roll number 10 with the bottom one of having roll number 3, then we will have another line, another vertical line, and this vertical line is said to be column number 3. So guys, we have just here got row number 1, row 2, row 3, row 4 and also column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. If we listed these roll numbers like 7 to 10, 1, 9, 5, 6, 8, 6, 8, 4, 11, 12 and 13 and enclosing these numbers with box bracket, or first bracket, no matter, but we are not going to use second bracket because of matrix notation only uses the third bracket or the first bracket. Okay, if we listed the roll numbers like 7 to 10, 195, 195, 684, 684 and 11, 12, 13 and enclosing these numbers with the box bracket, then we will have this figure and this figure is said to be a matrix. So guys, what is the formal definition of a matrix? The formal definition of a matrix is nothing but but a rectangular arrangement. Matrix is nothing but a rectangular arrangement of numbers or alphabets or functions into some rows. That is, it is row number 1, it is row number 2, it is row number 3, and it is row number 4, and into some columns, column number 1, column number 2, and column number 3. It is said to be a matrix. Matrix is nothing but a rectangular arrangement of numbers or alphabets or functions into some rows and columns. It is the formal definition of a matrix. Now, for the example, we have just 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many rows we have here? We have here only 4 rows. So writing down the number 4. And how many columns we have here? Column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. Writing this number 3 and placing a cross sign between 4 and 3. So 4 and 3. 4 is indicating here the first number is indicating here the number of rows, and the second one is indicating here the number of columns. And this multiplication sign is not here as the product. Here multiplication means 4 by 3. It is read as 4 by 3, and this 4 by 3 is the order of this matrix. The order of a matrix is the number of rows cross number of columns. What is the order of a matrix? Order of a matrix is number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows into number of columns, and read as 4 by 3. If we are asked a matrix having 4 rows and 3 columns, then what will be the order of the matrix? If we are asked a matrix having 4 rows and 3 columns, then the order of the matrix will be 4 by 3. And if we are asked what will be the total number of elements of that matrix, then just multiply this. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 12 will be the required number of elements of that matrix. If guys you like this video, like this lecture, then please support us